everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to TikTok upload failed or video not posting. First of all, check your internet and your internet speed. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi, or you could also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, make sure your videos meet TikTok's requirement format and length. After that, update the app to the newest version. Go to the App Store, search for TikTok, and then see if there is an update button available. If there is, update your app to the latest version. Next, go ahead and restart your TikTok and try again. Safety tip: avoid uploading copyrighted content without permission. Quick fix: export the video from camera roll again, re-encode it and re-upload, and that's it. Subscribe for more TikTok fixes and tutorials.